Stop wasting money on expensive skincare products. Because today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful natural recipes that can give you glowing, smooth skin using simple ingredients you already have at home. Hi guys, welcome back to my skin and health channel. If you love natural skincare, DIY beauty, and simple home remedies that actually work, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make rice cream, shea butter cream, and a powerful rice face mask for glowing skin. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more amazing skincare tips. Let's start with rice cream, one of the most effective natural remedies for achieving smooth, glowing, and even-toned skin. For this simple recipe, you'll need rice, water, and optionally aloe vera or vitamin E for added skin benefits. Begin by washing the rice thoroughly to remove any dirt and excess starch. This step is important to keep the mixture clean and skin-friendly. Next, boil the rice until it becomes very soft. This helps release essential nutrients that are beneficial for your skin. Once the rice is cooled, transfer it into a blender and blend until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Make sure there are no lumps. The smoother the texture, the better it will apply on your skin. At this stage, you can add a small amount of aloe vera for hydration or vitamin E for extra nourishment and skin repair. Mix everything well until it becomes a silky, uniform cream. Rice cream is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and improve overall texture. With regular use, it can also help slow down signs of aging and give your skin a natural, healthy glow. To use, apply the cream evenly on your face and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. For best results, use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Now that you know how to make this powerful rice cream, let's move on to the next step: deep hydration with shea butter cream. Shea butter cream, a deeply nourishing natural remedy for soft, smooth, and well-hydrated skin. For this recipe, you'll need raw shea butter and a carrier oil such as coconut oil or olive oil. Start by placing the shea butter in a heat-safe bowl and gently melting it using a double boiler method. This helps preserve its nutrients while turning it into a smooth liquid form. Once fully melted, add a small amount of coconut oil or olive oil and mix thoroughly. These oils help boost moisture and improve skin softness. After mixing, allow the mixture to cool slightly, then begin to whip it. Whipping helps transform it into a light, fluffy, and creamy texture that is easy to apply on the skin. Shea butter is rich in vitamins A and E, which are essential for skin repair and nourishment. It helps deeply moisturize dry skin, reduce inflammation, and restore a natural healthy glow. It is especially effective for rough, cracked, or dry areas, leaving your skin soft and smooth after regular use. To use, apply a small amount on your skin daily, especially after bathing, to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Now that your skin is deeply nourished and moisturized, let's move on to the final step: an instant glow rice face mask. Finally, let's make a rice face mask, an easy and powerful treatment for instant glow and refreshed skin. For this recipe, you'll need rice and a natural mixing agent like yogurt or honey. Start by soaking the rice in water for a few hours until it becomes soft. This helps release its natural nutrients and makes it easier to blend. Next, blend the soaked rice into a smooth paste. Make sure the texture is fine and creamy for easy application on the skin. Now, add either yogurt or honey to the rice paste. Yogurt helps gently exfoliate and brighten the skin, while honey provides deep hydration and has natural antibacterial properties. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, consistent mask. This rice face mask is very effective for removing dull skin, tightening pores, and giving your face an instant healthy glow. It also helps smooth the skin and improve overall texture with regular use. To use, apply the mask evenly on your face and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. You will notice your skin looking fresher, softer, and more radiant after just one use. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Now that you've learned all 3 powerful skincare recipes, you can combine them into a complete natural skincare routine for glowing, healthy skin. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like it. It really helps this channel grow so I can bring more natural skincare secrets like this. And that's it. You've just learned 3 powerful natural skincare recipes you can easily make at home. We started with rice cream for brightening and smoothing the skin, moved on to shea butter cream for deep hydration and repair, and finished with a rice face mask for an instant glow and refreshed complexion. The key to seeing real results is consistency. These natural remedies work best when used regularly, so make them part of your weekly skincare routine. Remember, beautiful skin doesn't always come from expensive products. It comes from simple, natural ingredients used the right way. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 are you most excited to try? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and DIY beauty secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.